Good morning, everyone. I am Adriana A. Fernandez, and today I will show you about configuring initial switch settings. And for our objectives, we have verify the default switch configuration, configure a basic switch configuration, configure a MOTD banner, um, save configuration files to NVRAM, and last, configure S2. So, nag-try na ako ng una, kaya may mga answers na ako. At I will show you kung paano ko siya ginawa. Lagyan natin pa dito. Yan ang aking answers. So, first, enter privilege mode. So, EN. Ayan. Tapos, dito na natin tignan. Examine the current switch configuration. Enter show running config command. Show running config. So, ito yung current switch configuration. And tapos, to answer these following questions, tingnan natin kung ano yung nakalagay dito. How many fast Ethernet interfaces does the switch have? So, ang answer ko is 24 kasi ito siya. Lahat to. Ayan, 24. And dito, how many gigabit Ethernet interfaces that the switch have? Ito yung dalawang to. Tapos, next, what is the range of values shown for the VTY lines? So, yung about yung sa password, ito. Then, 0 to 4 and 5 to 15. Tapos, which command will display the current contents of non-volatile random access memory or the NVRAM? As for my research, ang syntax niya or yung command niya is show start up configuration. So, ayan. Startup config is not present. Why does the switch respond with startup config is not present? Because this error appears because the configuration file hindi pa siya nakasave sa NVRAM natin and currently solely based in naka-RAM. Tapos, create basic switch configuration. Sabi dito, assign a name to a switch. So, and pasok tayo sa global, niya, configuration mode, tapos configure, set natin yung hostname sa S1, tapos exit. So, config, tapos hostname S1, tapos exit. Exit and or control Z. And next, secure the access to the console line. And to do that, configure ulit. Config P, tapos, so line console, 0, password. Sorry about that. Let me in. Tapos, log in. Tapos, exit tayo ulit. Exit or end para makaalis na lang ulit or control Z. But, and sundin natin. Why is the login command required? The password check because the password checking process requires both the login and password commands to function properly. Next, verify the console access is secured. So, switch. Let's exit dito. Para ma-fully alis tayo. Ayan, yan, kailangan, yung mga sinet natin password is let me in. Let me in. Ayan, nakapasok tayo. Tapos, next, secure the privilege mode access. Ito naman yung nalagyan natin ng password, yung bago tayo makapasok sa privilege mode. So, enable. Siyempre, enable. Tapos, config. Configure terminal. Tapos, yung password natin na isa-set is ito. Masyado maraming special character. I-ano na lang. Tapos, enter. Tapos, and next, verify that privilege mode access is secure. So, exit tayo dito ulit para mag-enter tayo ng password. So, let me in, tapos enable, ano yung password? Enter. Ayan. Tapos, after that, verify your configuration by examining the contents of the running configuration file. So, show running config. Running config. Ayan. Oops. Ayan. Tapos, configure the encrypted password to secure access to privilege mode. But first, check muna natin kung tama yung mga nagawa natin kanina. Hostname S1. Tapos, password nung bago tayo makapasok sa privilege mode as this. Tapos, password ng ating is let me in. Yan, tama lahat. Next, configure an encrypted password to secure access to privilege mode. Zoom natin to. Masyado maliit para sa akin. So, config T ulit. Tapos, enable secret as it's a secret. Exit. Tapos, verify the enable secret password is added to the configure file. Gamit ang show run. Show run. Yan, tingnan natin. Oh, encrypted na siya. Then, what is displayed for enable secret password? Ito yung sa pag-practice ko kagabi. Nag-iba ba siya ngayon? Hindi. Same lang siya ng encrypted. Ay, pagkaka-encrypt. Tapos, why is the secret password displayed differently from where we configured? The enable secret is show encrypted, whereas the enable password is displayed in plain text. So, dito naka-encrypted siya. Ayan, hindi natin malalaman. Tapos sa password, naka-plain text lang sila. Dito. Ayan, mga naka-plain text lang malalaman natin yung password. Next, encrypt the enable and console passwords din. So, i-encrypt din natin itong let me in, tapos itong isang Cisco. To do that, syempre, config T, tapos service password encryption. Okay. Encryption. Tapos exit. If you configure any more password on switch, will they be displayed in the configuration file as plain text or in encrypted form? Explain why all existing and future passwords are encrypted using the service password encryption command. So, encrypted na siya lahat kasi ginamitan natin ng service password encryption. For part 3, configure a MOTD MOTD banner. So, ito yung mga message. So, sundan natin to. 1, 2, 3. Tapos, MOTD. Tapos yung message. Pwede dito yung $sign or hash ba yun? But here, ito yung tinuro. So, yan. Tapos, exit. Exit lang. When will this banner be displayed? This banner will be displayed when someone uses the console port to input the switch. And ayun. Next, why should every switch have a MOTD banner? Every switch should have a banner to notify unauthorized users that access that that the access is restricted, but it can also be used to relay messages to network personnel and technicians. So for our part 4, save configuration files to NVRAM. To do that, ayan, copy running config startup yung syntax niya para ma-save lahat ng ginawa natin. Copy running config startup. Try natin config. Yun, wala pa lang. Hindi pa lang kompleto dapat. So, hindi dapat kompleto. Sure startup config. So na yun. Ayan. Tapos, are all the changes that were entered recorded in the file? Yes, it is identical to the running configuration. So, check natin. First, yung password, encrypted na siya. Hindi na naka-display yung plain text as let me in. Tapos, meron tayong banner MOTD. Ayan, ito yung message. Next is yung enable password, encrypted na rin. Pati yung sa secret, encrypted na rin. And yung post name, naka-display na siya as S1. So, yun. Nakasave siya lahat. Next, configure din natin yung S2. So, in this part, mag-mute na lang ako. Tapos, bibilisan ko na lang. So, ayun. I-explain ko na lang siya dito. So, device name, set the device name as S2. Ito yung ginamit natin dyan. Host name S2. Next, protect the access to the console using the let me in password. Dito nagkamali ako. Ginamit ko yun sa S1. But, to do that, enter tayo. Pasok tayo sa line console 0. Tapos, password let me in. Tapos, next, configure and enable password. Ayan. Enable password. Tapos enable secret password, ito. Kasi, configure tayo ng MOTD, banner MOTD, ito, yung message. Tapos, encrypt natin lahat. Yung mga password, ito yun, service, password encryption. Tapos, ensure that the configuration is correct. Save the configuration to the file, to avoid loss if the switch was powered down. So, ito yung pag-save sa NVRAM. Copy running config startup. So, tingnan natin. Yeah. Ayan. Ito yung banner natin. Ito, encrypted, and hostname. Check natin kung tama lahat. So, yan. Tama lahat. So, ulit ang ating objectives. Ayan, na-verify natin yung default switch configuration, configure basic switch configuration. Nakagawa tayo ng message, yung MOPD banner, na-save natin lahat sa NVRAM. So, na-configure din natin yung switch 2. So, that's all for configuring initial switch settings. Thank you for watching.